everybody, my name is Jack from Jack Prime, and then I am wearing like Shaggy, the same thing as Shaggy, look. And see, green shirt, Shaggy, Shaggy. And I'm not gonna show the pants because my mother said that. Okay, so we're gonna start by showing the things first. Let's start with the figures. This is Daphne, the one that likes pictures, and she has orange hair, and she is Fred's girlfriend. Do you know that other Scooby-Doo Lego from the Mystery Machine? That's Fred with the blonde hair. Remember? And then later, second, we have Velma. Velma is the smart one, and she comes with a magnifying glass, and then she is a little bit of Shaggy's girlfriend. Next one, we have Shaggy. Shaggy is me because I'm wearing like him, and he always thinks about his stomach, even me. And guys, I think you're gonna no, because I'm using the see you later alligator. This was the only shirt. Next one we have Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo is Shaggy's best friend, and he also thinks about his stomach, and he always starts with a R, like Raggy. Always starts with a R. Next one, we have the motorcycle. The motorcycle is a thing that's the vehicle that the persons can ride, only 2 characters. And we can use like Shaggy and Scooby to get in. And it even comes with a little backpack. And then later we have the map. The map is showing where the treasure is. And then later they found a map that leads to the treasure. That's it with the figures outside. Now let's start with the figures inside. Okay, and wait, because I need to set this. Now next part, inside. Dun, 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 dun. Inside, we have a medium house, and this is the treasure. Do you want to see the gold? It's right now. Can you see these gold bars? Yes. And then later, you need to find the key, and there's a ghost. Dun, dun, dun. And then Shaggy and Scooby were gonna be happy because there is a burger and an ugly rat. Next one, we have the medium house. The medium house is like haunted, much more haunted. And then, why is there a hole here? I know, because there's the key. This is how the key works. This is how the key is, I mean. Next one, we have the second floor. The second floor is like this. Somebody looks at this picture later. The morning star appears to attack you. And then this castle is a whole trap. And then you need to get out of here if you're very scary. If you're very scared. Third floor, the vampire. The vampire is right here, and then there is this lever to do like this. You do the lever like this, and he turns into a bat. And then the vampire is the leader of the monsters. Look, tomorrow you're gonna see the video of the Headless Horseman and Shaggy and Scooby and the airplane. And then the bat is not the leader of the monsters, but the vampire is. Now, third floor, the coffin. This is how the coffin is. See? And there's a vampire drawing. And this is inside. Dun 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 dun. Next one, we have the tiny house. The tiny house has the Black Knight, much stronger than the vampire because he has an axe. And then later, this is the Black Knight, and then later he has a helmet that comes, and then he's headless. Do you know what's headless? Headless means that a person doesn't have a head. And then later, next one we have the carnivore plant. The carnivore plant, kind of hard to take it out. The carnivore plant is this one. And then he rotates his head everywhere, even his neck everywhere. And he jumps. I'm gonna eat you. Next, and he has a loose tooth. Just kidding. Just kidding, he's just an adult. Sometimes tooth happens. Next one. Now that's it. Oh, no, not done, not the play part. Next one, inside. We have a jack-o'-lantern on with a bone, so it can be a trap, like the monster can eat him. Only for Scooby-Doo. Who's that my name? Nobody. And then later there is this other jack-o'-lantern that rotates. And see? And then the most haunted part. The roof opens for the Black Knight to be alive. Now you're gonna like this part to see the faces of the monsters and even the good guys. This is the Black Knight's face, Kyle. This is Kyle because I already saw the film of Lego Scooby-Doo. Now the vampire. Look, I don't know the ghosts and I don't know the ghost's name and the vampire's name, so we can just make up the names. George Washington. I'm just making up because I don't know his real name. Next one. Next one. Next one, the ghost. Oh, we forgot to show the ghost. Oh, the ghost has this very heavy thing, but actually the weapons are just fake to scare them. And then the ghost is like this part, it glows on the dark. And then this is his face. Dun dun dun. And then we're gonna show the other faces of the heroes. I know that Fred doesn't come with the haunted mansion. And then this is Daphne's face, scared face. Scooby-Doo doesn't have a scared face. This is Shaggy's sad and a little bit scared face. I think Shaggy's doing like this. I think this is interesting. This is Velma's face. And over. Cut. And then now is the play part.
Other video.
Now the other video is gonna be the play part. So make sure to share and subscribe and give a thumbs up. See you at the next video. Thank you.